Tesco Mobile vouchers allow you to add credit to your prepaid account for calls, texts, and data. As of October 2025, there are three primary methods for activation: using the Tesco Mobile app, sending a text message, or calling customer service. The voucher itself can be a physical card purchased in store or a digital code received via email or the app. Each voucher contains a unique 16-digit code and an expiration date. Let's explore each method in detail, showing you how to easily redeem your voucher. First, the Tesco Mobile app method. Download the app available on iOS and Android. Once installed, log into your account. Enter your 16-digit voucher code in the redemption section. For instant activation, use the QR code scanner feature. Second, the text message method. From your Tesco mobile phone, send the text "top up" followed by your 16-digit voucher code to 4444. You'll receive a confirmation message shortly after. Third, the customer service call method. Dial 0800-298-2000 and follow the voice prompts to speak with a representative. Provide your 16-digit voucher code and account details when prompted. Redemption may take up to 24 hours.